Discord has given me a free 1-month Discord Nitro trial, and you can see that on the screen. I will show you all the steps to claim it, so do not skip the step. I clicked Continue to 1-month trial. Here, they mentioned 1 month free Nitro, so we will pick the pink one. Here, since they're giving you 1 month free Nitro, so you will pick 1 month, not 1 year. Even if you pick 1 year, you will still get 1 month free Nitro. Here you can use your local payment methods on phone. You don't need to use just PayPal and cards. And there we go, we got our free 1 month Nitro. Now go to your Play stores, click your profile, and go to Payments and Subscriptions option because we need to cancel the Nitro subscription. Now go to Subscriptions and remove Discord from there. We did this because we don't want Discord to charge us $10 after the trial is over. Anyway, if you like this video, hit the like and subscribe button. I received this offer, perhaps you didn't, but you can wait. You can join my main server if you want decors and layouts. We have banners, PNGs, and all kinds of layouts that you need. My main server is also for mental health and Genshin. When you click the join link, fill out a form explaining why you have joined us. A staff will accept you.